So hey, what's up everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to learn Nomad Sculpt. So this is basically a 3D software that is unique because we don't have much 3D softwares on our Android device. This tutorial we particularly learn how to import 3D objects, how to add lightning and test all kind of stuff and render it. That render will be super useful. So let's begin. So when you open the app, this is the interface you will get, and you can do sculpting with it. But this tutorial is not focused on sculpting. First of all, how am I browsing? So basically, when you touch the object like this one, you are interacting with the object, okay? And when you want to rotate the object and do all kind of stuff like that, you basically have to touch the environment, the outer area, I mean everything except the object, or this part, okay? It shows if the object is if it's the front of the object, back, right, or whatever. So let's start with texturing. Okay, so there are a number of textures available on the internet. It can be metal texture, wood texture, or any of your favorite texture. So how can we do textures? Let's choose our object, which is for now this circle, and then we have to draw hair and hair. It says decimat or UV unwrapping, something like that. So you can decimate. First of all, you don't need to know what it means or whatever it is, and then click unwrap, and then you're done. You have that background like that. These are all the vertices. I mean, you don't need to know what that means or anything. So click on that file, this file button, and scroll down. Alright, here it is. When you rotate it vertically, there's an option for materials. Click on that, and now scroll down, and here we have all the options for textures, all the materials. So I have already downloaded a material on my Android device. So this is the one, base color. Okay, this one is best color, this one is normal. These are basically materials will be downloaded in the form of some images like this, and you have to basically arrange it like what it says. It says best color, normal, roughness, and yeah. And now we can turn off this button, UV, and you can see we have applied our material. Right, it's super. It was easy. And now we can add lightning. Click on this sun button and add lights. So this is our lightning. Let me turn off the environment filter. Okay, now you will be able to see lightning more. So yeah, this is our default lightning. And how can we adjust this? Like it comes like this. This is the source of light, and this is where the light is pointing at. We can change. This is basically sunlight. We can change that to spotlight, which is like this, which is normally in like distro or something. Then we have point light, lighter tube light or something like that. But let's stick to sunlight. But you can see it's not much, right? This is not much. So click on these three buttons, and you can increase the intensity of this sunlight. And you can add shadow or light. No, it depends on you. Like if the light should cast shadow or not. You don't have to worry about any of these. You can change the color of light. Like now it's green. yellow or whatever, but white looks generally fine. And yeah, it looks nice. And let's add one more light. Alright, this one will be at the back. I messed up. So whenever you messed up, you can double click on this display, or these are the redo undo button down there. And yeah, so this is it looks like a little art, doesn't it? It looks cute. So that's how you add lightning and materials. So let's move on right now. Let me just delete this and let me just show you how to import models, like 3D models, from the internet or wherever. So the model should be preferably in GLT or OBJ format. So I have that in my phone. Click to open, import, click to open, and now browse where your 3D models are. So as you can see, I have just imported a 3D model of my logo, which I made on Blender. Yeah, it looks it, but we did not add any lightning. So how it's like glowing, like from where the light come from? So it's called the HDRI. HDRI are basically like 360 images of real world environments, and turn on this environment if it's not turned on by default. Okay, and you have your HDRIs, and you can also import your custom HDRIs from this import button. Like I've just imported this one, and yeah, it looks nice. And we can also adjust the exposure of the HDRI, rotation of the HDRI, like from where the light should fall and stuff like that. And yeah, we can also de-blur or blur the background, as you can see. From rotation, let me show you what I mean. If I rotate this, as you can see, the background moves and the direction of the light also moves. So yeah, it works like that. And how to render it? So simply you can go to this file option and scroll down, and there you have option for export as a PNG, and you have also option for transparent background. Okay, so interface or not? Nah, I don't want to show interface. Why would you want to show interface? And screen resolution or your custom resolution, you can choose 1080p. And if you want to show the environment or not show the environment, like this. So yeah, that's pretty much all. But let's export PNG. It'll ask me where to export the PNG that render we've just made, and we can click here wherever we want to save that file. And now if I go to my gallery, you can see my exported PNG. To make it look more like pretty, you have to maybe change some things, like change your HDRI. It comes with default some awesome HDRIs. So yeah, you can choose whatever you like. Like to me, this one looks pretty fine. Let me just blur the background and rotate it like this. Yeah, here you go. And now we can again export it like this. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video. Let me know if you're interested into this type of stuff, so I'll bring more videos like this. I know I'm not uploading regularly, but yeah, I'll try my best. Let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and comment what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.